Let's talk Azure Web App configuration. I am excited to discuss the various features of Azure Web App configuration in the Azure portal. Let's dive into each feature and understand their purpose and usage. 1. Configuration. This feature allows you to configure various settings for your web app, such as connection strings, application settings, and environment variables. It enables you to customize your app's behavior and manage its configuration easily. 2. Authentication. Azure Web App provides built-in authentication and authorization capabilities. You can configure authentication providers like Azure Active Directory, social identity providers, or even use custom authentication options to secure your web app. 3. Application Insights. This feature helps you monitor the performance and usage of your web app. It provides valuable insights into application performance, availability, and user behavior. You can enable application insights to gain visibility into your app's performance and troubleshoot issues effectively. 4. Identity. Azure Web App supports various identity providers, including Azure Active Directory, Microsoft accounts, and social identity providers. You can configure identity settings to enable authentication and authorization for your app's users. 5. Backups. Azure Web App allows you to schedule automatic backups of your app's content and configuration. You can easily restore your app to a previous state if any issues occur. Configuring backups ensures data protection and minimizes downtime. 6. Custom domains. This feature enables you to use your own domain name for your web app. You can configure custom domains to provide a personalized and branded experience to your users. 7. Certificates. Azure Web App supports SSL certificates, allowing you to secure your app with HTTPS. You can upload and manage SSL certificates to ensure secure communication between your app and its users. 8. Networking. Azure Web App provides networking features like virtual network integration and private endpoints. You can configure network settings to control inbound and outbound traffic, enhance security, and integrate with other Azure resources. 9. Scale Up App Service Plan. This feature allows you to vertically scale your web app by changing the size of the underlying app service plan. You can increase or decrease the resources allocated to your app based on its performance and resource requirements. 10. Scale Out App Service Plan. Azure Web App supports horizontal scaling by allowing you to increase the number of instances running your app. Scaling out helps handle increased traffic and ensures high availability. 11. Web Jobs. Web jobs enable you to run background tasks or schedule jobs within your web app. You can use web jobs to perform tasks like image processing, queue processing, or any custom background processing required by your app. 12. MySQL in-app. This feature allows you to run MySQL databases within your web app without the need for a separate database server. You can easily create and manage MySQL databases directly within your app. 13. Service Connector. Azure Web App supports integration with various external services through service connectors. You can configure connectors to enable seamless integration with services like Azure Storage, Azure SQL Database, or third-party services. 14. Properties. This feature provides additional properties and settings specific to your web app. You can configure properties like default documents, virtual directories, or FTP settings to customize your app's behavior. 15. Locks. Azure Web App allows you to apply locks to prevent accidental changes or deletions. You can set locks at the resource group or individual web app level to ensure the safety and stability of your app. 16. Alerts. You can configure alerts to receive notifications when specific conditions or metrics thresholds are met. Alerts help you proactively monitor your web app's health and performance. 17. Metrics. Azure Web App provides various metrics related to performance, availability, and resource utilization. You can monitor these metrics to gain insights into your app's behavior and identify areas for optimization. 18. Logs. Azure Web App generates logs that capture information about your app's activities, errors, and diagnostics. You can access and analyze these logs to troubleshoot issues and gain deeper insights into your app's behavior. 19. Advisor recommendations. Azure Advisor provides intelligent recommendations to optimize your web app's performance, security, and cost efficiency. You can follow these recommendations to improve your app's overall effectiveness. 20. Health check. Azure Web App allows you to configure health checks to monitor the availability and responsiveness of your app. You can define custom health check endpoints to ensure your app is functioning correctly. 21. Diagnostic settings. You can configure diagnostic settings to collect and send logs, metrics, and traces to various destinations like Azure Storage, Event Hubs, or Log Analytics. This helps in centralized monitoring and analysis of your app's data. 22. App Service Logs. Azure Web App provides detailed logs specific to the app service platform. These logs capture information about the platform's behavior, infrastructure events, and runtime diagnostics. 23. Log Stream. This feature allows you to stream real-time logs from your web app directly in the Azure portal. You can monitor logs as they are generated and quickly identify any issues or errors. 24. Process Explorer. Azure Web App provides a Process Explorer tool that allows you to view and manage the processes running within your app. You can monitor resource utilization, troubleshoot performance issues, and manage processes effectively. Remember to explore each feature in detail and leverage them to optimize and enhance your Azure Web App's functionality and performance. Thanks for watching.